Hi dear all, I'm Gladwin P A, senior most professor working at Giraffe Learning from past 16 years. Nowadays students they're more into stress, confused, distracted, and we need them to understand. And at the same time, the concepts what we teach at Giraffe, it's more or less more into we correlate with the things that we see around, and we explain it with clear concepts. So, such as this problem, what I'm going to do it. So, in the given figure, I've chosen one of the problems from electrostatics. There are 5 capacitors connected in this form. So, the question says in the given figure, C1, C3, C4 and C5 all are of 4 microfarad capacitance, and C2 is 10 microfarad. So, what is the effective capacitance between A and B? So, generally what the students do, they start calculating it like these two are in parallel, then series and all. This is one thing. Since all these 3 capacitors, these 3 and these 3 are of same capacitance, that is C1, C3, C4 and C5. So if in case if you connect this to a battery, then what happens here is the B and C will be of same potential. When B and C is of same potential, the C2 capacitor will not function. It will be it's almost like balanced Weechman's network. So what do? You can just omit this, and you can consider that these C1 and C5 are in series and C4 and C3 are in series. Why? Because the potential across B and C will be same after connecting this. So let's find out what is the effective capacitance of between C4 and C3, and since they are in series. You know that series, the formula is C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Here I'm just using C for the instead of 4 ohms, in the end we'll put it up. So this will be C square divided by 2C. Similarly for C1 and C5, they also will be in series, so they also will be C square by 2C. And now both are in parallel, so therefore in parallel you know that you have to add these two. So the capacitance across C4 and C3 is C square by 2C plus C square by 2C. So 2C is LCM, 2C square, so 2C gets cancelled. The answer is the same thing, 4 mu f. You do not have to work out the entire thing doing this problem. Hope this was useful to you. So follow us up the page in order to watch more such short problems. Thank you.